Hello there! This video explains how to replace the key fob battery in a Ford Focus Mark II. That's the car that looks like this. And there's more good news. This is a quick, easy job and all you need is a new battery and a small, flat-headed screwdriver. Just like this. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, here's how to replace the key fob battery in a Ford Focus Mark II. Step 1 is to separate the front of the key, that's the part that incorporates this silver blade, from the back of the key. To do so, note this small slot on the side of the key that doesn't have any buttons. Next, insert this small, flat-headed screwdriver into the slot. Then pry the key apart. Next, open the back of the key to access the battery. Note then that it's held together with these two clips. So, pry the clips apart with a screwdriver. Then open the back of the key. The battery is now visible. Note that the positive terminal is facing upwards. It's important to remember that for later. Also note the battery's model number as you'll need to buy an identical replacement. On the particular car in this video, it's a CR2032. Now, it's likely it's not that your car's the same, but check to be sure. Next, pry out the battery with a screwdriver. Then insert its replacement. Naturally, make sure the positive terminal is facing upwards. Next, close the back of the key. And reconnect the front. And that's it. That's how to replace the battery in the key for a Mark II Ford Focus. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Why bother? Because among many other things, there's more Ford Focus content. You can also ask any questions in the comment section. Oh, and do me a favour and click like on this video. Right, that's all for now. Hey, who's nicked my screwdriver?